Okay, maybe I'll add maybe one more explosion to kind of finish it off. So it feels like it just needs one more little thing. Maybe I'll add it here, maybe a little bit closer. Maybe in the beginning here. I'm not sure where I want it. How about maybe about there? Okay, and I already have it loaded in. It's my explosion 2. And it's this one here. I already have it downloaded. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to try to get it to fit in that area. So I'm going to put it right back here. And let's make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, maybe about right there. Now I want it to be behind the mecha, so I'm going to move it down here. I'll put it at the very bottom right after the driveway, so it'll be in the back. Okay, let's make the mode try add. You can see it. And you can kind of see it there. Some of that smoke though gets really lost. So there's something we could try. I'm going to try to keep this one. I'm going to select it, edit, duplicate. Now it does make it a little bit darker. I'm just adding 2 of them. I'm going to turn the eye off of that one, the top one. Oh, I got the second one selected. And I'm going to try something different. Now we'll go back to normal. And I'm going to try it. I already have it selected over here. Just type in color key. That's under our effects and presets. So color key, return, and right here under, let's see, obsolete, color key. And I'm going to drag it. Make sure your explosion or your file is selected. And we're going to drag it onto that. Actually, I'm just going to drag it down here into this file just to make sure, because there's a lot of files on top. And under the color key, I'm going to select this color picker and select the black color. And you can kind of see that the black just disappeared. The only thing is it leaves a lot of holes, so we can try the tolerance level. Oh, and that's about as good as we're going to get, unfortunately. Let's move it back a little bit. Oh, and look at that. It just has a big black ring around it. So let's go in. I'm going to show you how we can animate this a little bit. So let's go under our effects, under our explosion that we're working on, and color key, and let's see. Okay, so under the color tolerance, I'm moving that. I'm selecting it and dragging it to the right. And you can kind of see it's moving down. So I'm getting rid of that dark area. Okay, so I'm going to give that a keyframe on the color tolerance. So let's move it. And as it's getting into here, I'm going to give this right here, I'm going to give it another keyframe. So I'm holding it where it's the same right there. And then I'm going to move it over a little bit, and then let's try the tolerance back down. Yeah, okay. You can kind of see that smoke comes in here. Unfortunately, it gives us a big black ring. Let's try the feather. I'm going to give it a keyframe on the feather. Move it over. Kind of softens up that edge. I don't know if the edge thin would help. You can give it an edge, the edge thin Look at that keyframe. We probably could go in and mask that if we wanted to. Okay, let's move it up so a few more frames. Let's see if we can change the tolerance and see if we can change any more of that. Nope, that's about as low as that's about as good as we're gonna get. So we'll leave it at that. Let's like I said, we could, if we wanted to clean that up, we could give that a mask up there, get rid of that big dark spot. But since we're missing some of that, and I did save that other copy of my explosion, I'm gonna select my eyeball and turn it back on. So therefore I've got that one, I've got them both showing up. It's still kind of hard to see. It's pretty transparent, but you can kind of see about what I was trying to do. Not quite photographic. It could probably still use some work, but I'm going to leave it at this point. How it is. This is about what we have now. And save.